So the stretch we're looking at here is for the hip flexor, so the front of the hips, okay? You're gonna grab your block again, or a book with a mat on top. We just wanna raise the knee of the leg that we're working on. So you're gonna come into this half kneel, soft surface underneath that knee. We're gonna untuck the toes, and we're working on, you should see here, me put the hands on the area. Yeah, so we're working on that right hip flexor in this case. What we're gonna think about is we wanna actively drive that front right hip down towards the floor in order to stretch it out. This hip flexor gets really tight and often weak when people have lower back injuries, because we're kind of protecting ourselves by shortening that muscle, not allowing it to do too much and put us into an extended position in the lower back. So that naturally shortens, and we just want to stretch it out a little bit, okay? So you're going to see that I drive that right hip flexor down towards the floor. You'll feel it in the hip, but also maybe in that quad as well. My toes are untucked at the back to really allow that hip flexor to stretch. I'm in a posterior pelvic tilt, as always here, so dragging that tailbone down towards the back of my knee, and I've squared my upper body off, so we're in a nice neutral spine position. Both hips are level with each other. I'm not kind of leaning to one side here, and you can just use that front leg for support. Okay, really driving that hip down. Should feel a nice stretch in the front of the hip there.